Moving along, step 8 in the home buying process is the final walkthrough. This is typically done within 5 days before closing when you're going to close on your new home. And what this is an opportunity for you to walk back through it one more time before closing and make sure that if there were any negotiated repairs, that those have been made. Also, make sure that the house hasn't fallen down a hill during the escrow process, and just make sure everything is good to go. It's also a chance to just get excited that it's almost time. You're about to get your keys to your new home. So you will complete this. You'll schedule this with your agent. They'll set you up for a time to walk through that home one more time. You can waive this if you want, but I don't recommend that you do that. I like going through a home. I know the last time I bought a home, I drove by it like 20 times while we were in escrow. It's an exciting time. So if you've been driving by the home every single day like it's okay, you're normal. There's nothing wrong with you. I did the same thing and I do this for a living, so it's okay. Go take advantage of it, right? Go walk through your new home one more time. Get excited about it. Start planning which kids get in which room, all that fun stuff. They've probably already decided. This is the time to get really excited. So your agent, again, will coordinate the timing with you if you want to have that final walkthrough done or if you want to waive it. Just let your agent know and they'll make that happen for you. And then once you complete, it's just a little one page saying, hey, I'm good to go and there's no new issues. All of the repairs, if there were any, have been completed. Let's close this bad boy. That is step 8 in the home buying process.